Here it is, the Ojo Vision Video Phone. Here's the color box it comes in. This is what I bought from VoX Communications, and a voice over IP service carrier. I want to show you how easy it is to take this phone out of the box, plug it in, and start using it. Let me demonstrate. Here we go. I love this picture box anyway. It's rather easy. We open it up at the top, flip up, take out a piece or two. Let's see what's in here. We have a handle, a phone, a power cord. Not too many pieces, but they are packed well. That power cord is tricky. There we go. I always love taking out something from its package and not reading the directions. I'm sure you like that too. So, let's see. Here's the phone. You take the handle, right? Here we go. There's a little plug. Okay. Now, we don't need the cover. Let's get rid of that. That was protecting the glass. And let's do the power cable. I have an outlet in my desk, I hope. It's free. Let's see. Okay, I did. Now, I will plug it in right here. In the back, you see there's 3 ports here to do video to a larger screen, flat screen, television, whatever you want. And this is how it gets going. Now look at this. See that blinking blue light? That means the phone is searching for the internet connection and registering with VoX Communications. Here, let me bring it over a little straighter head on. That blue light's still blinking. All I did was plug it in and plug in the internet connection too. Of course, I didn't do that yet. So let's do it now. That blue light will blink forever if the internet's not plugged in. Okay. Now the internet is plugged in. Now it's thinking a little more. This internet service is typical home broadband. This happens to be Verizon Fios. Alright, now it's starting to register. It's asking me for English, Spanish, or several other things. Let's hit English. It will default to English eventually if you do not ask for English. Still thinking. You see the blue light is still blinking. With the blue light blinking, that means the phone has not registered yet with VoX Communications. Let's keep blinking, blinking, blinking. Okay, still blinking. No message, no digital phone service, the date and the time, my phone number and the IP address that it's got. Look, it's getting better. It's starting to register. It's thinking. Okay, it's still registering. It would have taken you a little less time if, or me a little less time if I had plugged in. Now, digital phone service is now available on the screen. That means I can make any call I want, 10-digit dialing wherever I want. So let's see. To make it interesting, let's call someone who has a video phone. I'm looking at contacts. Well, we can just dial straight. Okay, here goes the call. Number's ringing. Oh my goodness, look at that!
Hey! What's going on?
I'm doing a video to show people how that the phone works.
Yeah, it works great. You know what? When I got mine the other day, I just plugged it in, and it said that first I plugged it into the LAN, didn't do anything. Then I plugged it into the WAN. It says, "All right, you have a digital connection ready to use."
Right, right. Yeah, you got to put it in the LAN box. That's right.
That's how easy it was. Hey guys, come here. Uncle Paul's on the phone. Say thanks for your present.
Oh wow.
Like, how can I get you in now?
Hi guys. Hey, look.
You want to see yourself? There you go.
Yeah, here. I can see myself here. See, so you guys, I'm off to the side a little, guys.
Wait, I sit on the.
Oh, hey, you know what's exciting? You see this right here? This is a camera. I'm doing a video, and you get to see the video. That's really pretty good. Okay, I'm going to hide preview because I don't want to be in the video, but you guys are coming out nice. Now, if I push this snapshot button, I actually take a photograph of you, and I get to save that in my memory if I like. Now I can look at you guys all the time. See, save as picture. Oh, that's great. So I now have that.
And so we just took a picture of him. Now, if I want to save the picture, I can just save it. You know.
That's great. That's great. You guys can look at that every morning you wake up for your energy to go to school.
Oh yeah, they're gonna be so excited.
Well, this is good. See, we're talking over each other and everything, and it works fine.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. I mean,
so easy. The kids could use it.
Yeah, even the kids. So who's your favorite uncle? All right. All right, thanks, guys.
All right, so what,
Let me sign off, okay? I'll call you back.
all right, be good.